Hi, welcome back to my G Family account. Today I'm going to share with you sneakers. Sneakers that you won't regret buying, and sneakers that lasted me, honestly, I think it's over 5 years. They have been 5 years. I'm gonna show you all about them and what they are because one, they're super comfortable. Two, they're super comfortable. And three, they're lasting me so long. I take them on every hike. Anything I need to walk in, to work, I take them everywhere. Sometimes if I pick my favorite shoe, it's just, I get stuck in it and then I just wear it all the time. And it's just been 5 years and I still wear it. And for the life of me, I'm actually looking for another copy. And why I say copy, because I can't seem to find the exact feature in that sneaker that I love, and I'm definitely looking for a copy of this sneaker. So let me show you. And excuse it, it's not super clean. It's used. This shoe is 5 years old. Literally this one I slightly ripped off with like something super sharp, but it's not even undoing, it's still the same. And yeah, they're just really dirty, but this is Adidas and I love them so much. I mean, look, they're not only, they look new. If I clean them really well, they look really new. So let me show you what feature I'm talking about. Is right here. It's very silky. The inside of the entire sole, like the bottom and inside, is silky. And for some odd reason, not the oddest reason, but because of that silk, I do not have a hole here. If you know, like, you wear your shoe and that fabric right here in the back rubs off and you have a hole and it's like, oh, it's time to get a new shoe. It hasn't rubbed off. This silk thing inside is so strong. I can't believe it. Literally nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's still perfect. Perfect. I would give this shoe whopping 11 out of 10. 11 out of 10. My favorite sneaker. I just can't switch. I have tried different ones. This one you slide in, it is just the softest thing because of the silk. I have tried other ones, they do not have a silk lining and it doesn't feel the same. That's why I'm recommending this pair. It has gold stitching underneath. Yes, they're 5 years old officially. I mean, I'm not sure if you can find this one, but I hope if you walk into a shoe store and you look around, look for the silk sole inside. It will make, like, it will get your shoe last, it seems like, forever. Literally, I think the shoe sole will fall off before this. And I just cannot believe how long it's lasting me. Nothing came off, like the glues and everything. I paid about almost 90 or 95 for this shoes. And to this day, I never regretted a day of getting it. And I do not feel bad for them. Like, I use them. I use them on every hike, anything hard, anything I need to walk in. This is my go-to shoe. So if you're looking for a great shoe, this is it. This is it, okay? Hope you enjoyed this recommendation of the day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.